Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable in the equation 2x plus 3 equals 11. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process of solving this equation to find the value of x. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Step 1. Our goal is to solve for the variable, which in this case is x. We start with the equation 2x plus 3 equals 11. To isolate x, we need to get rid of the constant term on the left side of the equation, which is the 3. We do this by subtracting 3 from both sides of the equation. This operation keeps the equation balanced because whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. Starting with 2x plus 3 equals 11, when we subtract 3 from the left side, the equation becomes 2x plus 3 minus 3 on the left. And when we subtract 3 from the right side, the equation becomes 11 minus 3 on the right. So now our equation is simplified to 2x plus 0 equals 8. Since adding 0 doesn't change the value, we simplify the equation further to just 2x equals 8. In summary, we subtracted 3 from both sides of the equation to move the constant term to the right side, which helps us isolate the term involving x on the left side, leading us to 2x equals 8. Step 2. Now we have the equation 2x equals 8. In this step, our goal is to isolate the variable x, which means we want x to be by itself on one side of the equation. Since x is currently multiplied by 2, we need to get rid of the 2. We do this by dividing both sides of the equation by 2 because division is the opposite operation of multiplication. This will keep the equation balanced because whatever we do to one side, we must also do to the other side. Starting with 2x equals 8, when we divide the left side by 2, the equation becomes 2x divided by 2 on the left, and when we divide the right side by 2, the equation becomes 8 divided by 2 on the right. So now our equation simplifies to x equals 4 over 1, which is simply x equals 4. Remember, we divided both sides by 2 to isolate x. This allows us to find that x equals 4. This is the final step in solving for the variable x. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.